Hello, welcome to our tutorial on designing mobile apps with Swipecart. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the product list view page. Are you struggling with displaying products one after the other neatly in your mobile app? Having a clean UI averts confusion among customers. To achieve this, you can use the product list view feature of Swipecart. On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the edit icon to customize the product list view on your current design. You will be redirected to your home page. Switch to the product list view page. The right panel has a number of style variants. Click the most suitable style format to add it to the main section. Once the style format is added, hover over it and click Edit Style. The Edit Style window comes into view. As you make changes here, you can see a preview of it on the right side mobile screen. Let's start with altering the radius, padding, and container padding. Switch between the tabs and adjust the values accordingly. The next section is Customize Images. Here, you can configure the images to fill, cover, or contain the section. Expand Customize Width Height to change the width and height. Enable the image padding toggle to change the padding value and its color. Using the text control field, you can choose to clip or wrap the text. In the background column, you can choose to add an image or a color as the background. On clicking color, you can choose a suitable color from the color palette. On clicking image, you can upload an image from your computer. Please note that there is no restriction on the image size. The software will automatically compress the image for you. Click None to not have any image or color as the background. Under the Product Data section, configure the information listed in the product list view. Here, you can choose to display the vendor/brand name, product title, Add to Cart button, and Favorite button by enabling or disabling the toggle. Enable the Product Price toggle to display the price information in different formats. Since this is a dynamic field, copy/paste the price variables to the text field. Each box has a copy icon to copy the variables. With the man_price field, you can show the minimum selling price of the product range. The max_price field helps to display the maximum selling price of the product range. Using a compare_man_price field, you can list the original minimum price of the item before a sale. With a compare_max_price, you can show the original maximum price of the item before a sale. You can paste them in the format you want in the text field. To show the price with strike-through, enable this toggle. You can display the selling price along with the original price in a strike-through format. Select one UI variant for the strike-through. Turn on the Display Compare Price First toggle to list the original price before the selling price. Enable Show Tag to display tag. You can choose a style from these variants and change the font color, background color, and position of your tag. In the Choose Variant field, enter product variant names. Please note that if you enable the strike-through display, your custom price tag display format becomes disabled. Enable the Product Tags toggle to configure the tag's position. To add a shadow to the box, switch on the box shadow toggle and choose a preferable variant. Click Save. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the product list view on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view your product list view on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials. If you have any issues or queries, contact our support team. Thank you for watching.